Hello, my sweethearts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You want a cute, easy Caribbean crochet hairstyle in under an hour? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, let's get right down into it. Okay, I did my hair last night. Remember, it does not have to be perfect. You can twist them up, you can gel them up, you can do whatever you can just to make your base nice and strong for your crochet to hold. You guys, when I braid my hair a day before, it's easier on my head. It takes the tension off, and I like that when I'm about to crochet, because when you crochet, you're going to tighten it up, so you do not want your hair to be too tight when you're crocheting. Loves, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. All these products I'm using right now, or I'm holding up, I've used on my head, and I'm about to put this dew grow oil on my hair, just to get, keep my hair nice and oiled up. When you have a crochet in your hair, you want to make sure your hair is oiled up and greased. Okay, sweethearts, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store, but you can also get this hair from Amazon. I got it in T1B bug, and I think it is cute. I think it is nice and curly. I think it's bouncy, and I think it's perfect for crochet. Starting this crochet off, we're going to put the hook underneath the braid, and we're going to make sure it's at the very base, the very back of your head, because when the hair falls, we want it to all fall evenly. You're going to pull the needle through, and then you're going to put the hair on the needle, close it up. You're going to wrap your fingers around it and then pull the hair through. You're just going to pull it through one time. You don't have to pull it through a couple times. Why? Because this hair is long and it's curly. If it was short, then you might have to, pull it through a couple times or tie a knot a couple times. But you really don't need to do as much when you have a curly curl crochet for your hair, because it's not going to slip through and it's not going to slip out. When you are pulling it through, when you tie the knot, you make sure it's secure. You push it up and you push it towards your head and make sure it's nice and secure. Pull it really tight. You also can go through your braid. You don't have to go underneath your braid. If you want it for sure or secure and you know it will not come out, put it just like that through your braid and then pull it through and then tie a knot from there. The method I just did here is a guarantee non-slip motion. All I've used is just one pack of hair right here. You don't need that much hair either. I only use 2 packs. If you like to go fuller, you can use 2.5, and you'll be, if you want that Lion King effect, then be my guest. But I believe 2 is enough for me. Make sure you're being very careful and not making this too tight. You do not want that much tension on your head. Okay, we're going to grab and use this coconut oil and put it on our hands so we can prevent frizziness when we're making these curls. We're just going to rub it on our hands, and we're going to put it on our fingers, and we're just going to pull these pull these curls apart so we can make them, get it nice and fluffy, and we're trying to get a lot of volume here. So that's what we're doing right here. We're going to do it to our whole entire head, and then we'll see some good results at the end. With my small little leave out, I'm just going to add some curling cream just to give it a little curl to match with the rest of the curls in my head. I got to use my black control. You guys, I am using it just a little bit. You don't need a lot. That's why it's edge. It's for your edges. You don't have to put it on your whole entire head, because the outcome of it works better when you use it the way you're supposed to use it, which is on your edges. Okay, you guys, I am using the scarf to tie it up, just to hold it down, just to mold it just a little bit. And this is the routine that I do every night as well. Okay, when fluffing the hair out and not volumizing it, you can use a bigger comb, or you can just use your nails and run through. When you are cutting the ends, make sure you're cutting downward. Do not cut from side to side, okay? All right, and we're just going to shake that out. And then we're also going to add our bonnet to our hair. Remember, this is the nightly routine that I do every night. You should try this because it's going to keep your curls nice and curly. And these are the final results, my loves. I'm loving it. I got a big smile on my face. Why? Because it is me. It is cute. The color is me. You guys, if you like this hairstyle, don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.